Hi, I'm Jane Draper with Fonville Morrissey, and these are my clients, Adam and Jackie Barrow. And I was very excited when they got referred to me, and we found out that they were going to be moving to North Carolina. And we looked at houses on the internet, and when they found out for sure that they were moving here, Adam came and we started looking at houses. And we ended up finding a beautiful home with royal oaks. And what do you guys think about it?
Oh,
We love it.
We really love it. We came to the house, and as soon as I walked in, it just felt like a home, like it could be our home. And so just walking through it and going through the whole process with Royal Oaks has been a great, smooth process, and we really enjoy it and look forward to having our first home here.
Good. Now, one of the bonuses that we found out later after we fell in love with the house was that this particular area qualifies for USDA financing. Tell us, have you been happy with John Rogers and the financing that he got for you guys?
Absolutely. He was the first one to actually reach out to us when we started shopping for lenders, and he's been with us the whole way on the phone and willing to help and explain the process. And we've been very pleased with his service and with his team.
And we closed, I think, in record time. Was it like
Absolutely,
17
yeah.
days or something from start to finish, which is amazing for a USDA loan.
Yes.
So he's been great.
Yes.